Number 1.
Hi, I'm the Big Bad Wolf. And I want to tell you about the new Arbor Instant Video Doorbell.
Good morning, Wolf. I brought you cinnamon roll-ups.
It's not only the most advanced video doorbell you can buy, it's also the simplest. All you need is a door. But why get an Arbor Instant Video Doorbell? Because it lets you see who's at your door.
Hi, Wolf.
No matter where you are,
Hi, Wolf.
or what you're doing.
Package for Wolf. But why is the Arbor Instant Video Doorbell so much better than other video doorbells?
First, it's easier. No wiring, no special installation. All you have to do is attach the Arbor doorbell and download the Arbor app. It's as easy as a welcome mat. The Arbor Video Doorbell has the best picture of any video doorbell. With extremely high definition and remarkably little distortion, you can tell exactly who's at your door, day or night. Does this doorbell make me look fat?
No, silly.
The Arbor Instant Video Doorbell shows you who's at your door much faster than other doorbells. And that's important. Because you should never make your friends wait. Yes, it runs on a battery that can last up to 1 year on a single charge. Because time waits for no wolf.
Plus, it's a super sensitive motion detector, a super good security camera, and in the unlikely event of an emergency, it also has a super loud alarm.
The Arbor Instant Video Doorbell comes with everything you need. You get the extremely powerful Arbor Wi-Fi hub, which is also a delightful chime.
Did you know most other video doorbells don't even come with a bell?
That's just dumb. The Arbor Instant Video Doorbell.
Faster, clearer, easier.
The world's most advanced video doorbell, and also the simplest. The first video doorbell designed for everybody.
All you need is a door.
See? I'm not so bad.
Or big.
Number 2. Number 3.
Can I help you?
Does Frank live here? No, I think you have the wrong house.
Hey, what are you doing here, man?
Number 4. Number 5.
Peep is a smart doorbell that gives you peace of mind where it matters most. You work, you go to school, and life can be demanding. Peep conveniently keeps you notified on the safety and security of your home.
Hey, thanks for the delivery. Please leave it at the door.
Have a great day.
Deliveries, visitors, intruders, all at your fingertips. Home security anyone can afford. Peace of mind is priceless.
8 months ago, I realized the problem in my community. There was a lot of thefts and break-ins occurring. I felt like every day I saw more and more news about this. So I did some research, and what I concluded is, this wasn't just a community problem, but a worldwide problem. People don't have access to affordable home security, and I'm here to change this.
We know how important the feeling of home is. We built the Peep Smart Doorbell to protect that feeling. Our biggest challenges when building Peep was to keep features such as night vision, an HD camera, and a weather-resistant enclosure that is still affordable and accessible.
We didn't just stop at hardware. Peep's app lets you view your front door at any time. Set custom alerts for certain time periods, keeps you notified if motion is detected, record all your video to the cloud, and keeps a history of all your visits and alerts. There's also a neighborhood watch feature built into the app that lets you communicate with other Peep users in your area.
I really admire companies that care about their community and listen to their user base. Our goal is to build a community-driven product, and in order to do that, we need your help. We want to bring Peep to you. With your help and support, we can deliver this great device and work together to protect our homes and our community. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to look at our campaign.